You will need your Greenlite kit as well as an 11/32 inch nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, zip ties, and then a blade to cut zip ties. Before you start the process, make sure that your machine is powered off. Open the Greenlite kit and take out the card reader. Please read the instructions that came with your Greenlite kit to better understand your installation. Disconnect the harness for your coin mechanism. The harness is located in the upper left of your coin mechanism. Follow the harness up and disconnect it by squeezing the tab. Next, remove the screw securing the coin chute. To help gain access to where you will be installing the card reader, use an 11/32 inch nut driver to remove the nuts underneath where you removed the coin chute. Then use a Phillips screwdriver or a nut runner to remove 2 screws at the bottom of the machine. To access the front of the door in order to install the card reader, remove the assembly out of the machine. Place your top hand on the coin mechanism and your bottom hand near the coin box to remove. You can now remove the filler plate so the card reader can be installed. Place the card reader through the hole and install the 11/32 inch nuts. Make sure the nuts are securely in place so the card reader cannot be pushed into the machine when customers are using their cards. Plug in the MDB and DEX harnesses. Plug in the DEX harness above the control board here. Remove the control board cover and plug the male end of the MDB harness into the control board. Attach the female end of the MDB harness to the bill validator. Now we will attach the antenna to the top of the machine. Pop off the cover here, then unscrew and remove the nut from the bottom of the antenna. Hold on to the nut while you run the antenna wires down through the top of the cabinet. Place the antenna on the top. Now take the nut and run the wires through it so you can screw it in the cabinet, under the antenna here, securing it in place. Connect the cellular antenna to the back of the card reader here. Next, reinstall the coin assembly. Make sure the harness is free and not cut off by anything so it is not damaged. It is best to loop it through the bracket on the top of your coin mechanism. You can then tighten down the nuts near the coin box at the bottom and back underneath where you will place the coin chute. Secure the coin chute back in place. Then find the coin mechanism harness from the top of the coin mechanism and connect it to the bill acceptor harness. Now use zip ties to tidy up the harnesses so they do not disrupt the machine operation. Now turn your machine on to boot up your device.